Hello students, welcome to Software's classes. Today we will be solving the CSIR UGC NET questions from the December 2016 paper. We will be solving the general aptitude questions from the life sciences and the physical sciences paper. So let us start off with the question. The question is that seeds when soaked in water gain about 20% by weight and 10% by volume. In that case, we need to find out by what factor does the density increase. Option A 1.20, option B 1.10, option C 1.11 and option D 1.09. So upon soaking in water, the seeds gain about 20% by weight and 10% by volume. So we need to find out by what factor the density increases. So now let M be the weight and V be the volume of the seed, be the volume of the seed before soaking. So that means the density, which is denoted by D, is given by M by V. Now after soaking the weight is increased by 20%. So that means that M becomes 120% of M, that is 1.2 M, and the volume increases by 10%, that is volume becomes 110% of M, and that means that new volume, it is not M, it is V, 110% of V, and that becomes 1.1 V. So therefore new density is given by, which is given by D dash, is equal to M dash by V dash. M dash is equal to 1.2 M by 1.1 V. So therefore D dash becomes 1.09 M by V, which is nothing but this M by V, as we all know, is equal to D. So new density is equal to 1.09 times of the original density. So that implies that option 4 is the correct option. Option 4, or rather in this case it is option D. So option D is the correct option. So today we have solved a general aptitude question which came in the CSIR UGC NET December 2016 paper. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Software's classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.